Okay, have y'all seen this new niche on YouTube that's absolutely blowing up right now? This channel got only $7,000 per month through YouTube AdSense alone, which is incredible. Look at the channel's videos. Some got 12 million views, another 10 million views in just 9 months. That's better than many real artists out there. Take a look at this other channel. It's got over 30 million subscribers, and it's making over $9,000 per month. It's amazing, and it's not even difficult to make AI music at all. Honestly, the quality is absolutely insane. And the crazy part? The music doesn't even sound AI generated at all. It sounds like it came right out of a recording studio. I think a lot more people could do this than they realize. You can also do it and start earning. So stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how you can create music using Claude AI and MusicGPT. Claude is the best when it comes to writing prompts and lyrics. Don't skip any part because you might miss something.
Okay, first you're going to go to Claude AI and give it this simple, editable master prompt that I have prepared. You'll find it in the description below. Here you can put your own name for the song. For example, I'm going to call mine Walking Towards the Moon. And I want the song to have some tempo and rhythm, so on the song type part, I'm going to write tempo and rhythm. Then, let Claude do its magic. And in seconds, Claude has produced some magic prompts and lyrics. First, copy the prompt and head over to MusicGPT and paste it. Then, head back to Claude AI and copy the lyrics. Then, head over to MusicGPT and paste it in the lyrics place. Then, click Generate and wait for the AI to cook your song. MusicGPT will give you 2 songs, so you can choose the one you like the most.
And just like that, the first song is ready.
The street lamps fade behind my back. I follow where the shadows crack. My feet keep time on cobblestone. A rhythm.
Wow, I absolutely love it. Now let's hear the second one.
Always will. I'm walking towards the moon. She's calling me to move. One step and another 2. I'm walking towards the moon. The world is quiet, soft and
Now I'm confused because they both sound amazing. And that's literally it. 2 finished songs, studio quality, 0 music production skills required. If you've been sitting on the sidelines thinking this niche is too saturated or too technical for you, I hope this just proved that wrong. The tools are right there. The prompt is in the description. And the only thing standing between you and your first AI song is actually opening the tab and trying it. Now, in the next part, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn whichever song you pick into a finished monetizable YouTube video. Visuals, upload settings, the whole pipeline. So don't go anywhere, because this is where it actually starts making you money.